because it's super important that we support our bodies. You guys, nobody else is going to do it for us. Our health and our wellness is in our hands, and it's our responsibility. And we need to strengthen ourselves up and keep strengthening, and supporting. Quick story, had an awesome chance yesterday to show somebody how wonderful these oils are and how they work. You know, it never ceases to amaze me. I have used these so many times on open wounds, and like frankincense, for me, that's the best one to drop on an open wound because it doesn't burn and it gets in there. And then once I can do that, then I shift to lavender, Melrose, you know, anything depending on what type of wound it is. And I love my DIY first aid ointment that I make, wound cream, whatever you want to call it. That it's just so coating and it's nice. And I'll tell you, I have those lotion bars that I make and the DIY chapstick I make, and that is what I had on hand yesterday, and that is what I was able to put on a wound, because you can do that. Like those DIY lotion bars and the DIY chapstick, you can use that on a wound to coat it and cover it if that's all that you have on you in your purse or your bag or whatever. That's why I love these products, you guys. It works so well. Just within not even 24 hours later, like something that looked nasty and disgusting and gross, it was infected and yuck. Not even 24 hours later, it's like, yes, you know, somebody else is getting to see, yes, this stuff works. I wouldn't be sharing this all the time with you guys if it didn't. I wouldn't be using it if it didn't. So it's so exciting when someone else gets to see and experience that our body can do things and start that repair process if we give it the things that it needs. And you just have to keep applying it often. Like I told them, put frankincense on that thing every single hour. And they did it in like deep relief around the area that's nasty. Not like on it because it would burn, but like around the whole area. These products are amazing. It's so excited when other people get to see how great they work. So I was thinking about my Thieves Cleaner because I was cleaning today, and I love how Thieves Cleaner is so good. It kills so many things. It just does, or I wouldn't use it. And it is amazing. And I don't have to worry about breathing in nasty, harmful chemicals, and I don't have to worry about there being a residual layer of toxins on everything that I just cleaned. And that really matters to me. Like, I don't want anybody walking on my floor with bare feet and toxins going into their feet because of the cleaner I used. I don't want anybody eating off of my plates and there being toxins left on there because of what I washed them with. So cleaning is just as important to me. So like right now I have this is one I keep in my upstairs bathroom. So my Thieves Cleaner, I just spray and wipe. That's all you have to do. And this is the Thieves Household Cleaner. This is a smaller one. They have like a jumbo huge one, but this is the one I normally buy. So this bottle lasts a really long time. So I want to talk to you about this bottle. So often we forget about our environment. Like, we're taking supplements, we're using oils, we're focusing on making sure we have healthier toothpaste and that we are being careful what we put on our skin. We're making sure our bug sprays aren't full of pesticides. We're making sure, our sunscreen's not full of chemicals. Like, we're doing all these things, but we forget about our environment. And, we're focused on what goes in our body and on our body, but sometimes we forget about the space around us. And it's so important, because if we only do a piece of it, which is good to do that piece, but if we're only doing a piece, then we're missing so many other pieces. And we want to bring this whole puzzle together. We want to do the whole thing, and we want to support all the areas. So I want to talk to you about this cleaner. So I know for me, like, I was always taught, like, you lock up the cabinet under your sink because you don't want your kids to get into the cleaners, which I don't have to worry about that in my house because I don't have those cleaners. But back in the day, that was a thing. I had those cleaners, and you locked up your cabinets. Now, why do we need to lock up our cabinets? Why can't our kids get into those cleaners? Or why couldn't I get into those cleaners when I was smaller. What was being kept from me? It's dangerous, right? We lock up those cleaners. We lock up under the sink of the bathroom and the kitchen because those products are dangerous. We know that. That's why we lock them up. And we know if anybody gets into those cleaners, you call poison control. It's just a well-known thing. Okay, so we need to think about that for a second. If we're cleaning with those things, we're breathing it in when we're cleaning, and we're letting our kids or our family members or our animals touch the surfaces that we just put those locked up cleaners on. What are we doing? Are we really, like, cleaning? I'm telling you, cleaning supplies were the last thing for me to switch out because I thought I needed to, I thought that was the only way to clean, and that's not even clean. So I want to free some more of you of doing that. Like, I really want you to think about the fact that you have to lock things up and keep your kids away from it because it would kill people if they consumed it. So what harm is it doing when we're leaving it in the air and on surfaces? I really want you guys to think about that. So, Thieves Cleaner. I know there's only 2 days left of May, but I really want you guys to start using Thieves Cleaner. I want you to pitch and get rid of open up your sinks, go underneath them, pull all that stuff out, and throw it out. Get rid of it. Do the same thing if you have cleaners underneath your bathroom sink. Pull them out and throw them away. Just get them out of your house. Just do it. Today's the day to do it. Just do it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. So, today's the sink day. Pull that stuff out, throw it away. Clean with vinegar or baking soda until you get some thieves. You get this Thieves Cleaner. That's all you need under your sink, and you don't have to lock your sink up anymore. You don't. I don't lock my sink. I don't have to have locks on, safety locks on my sink because there's nothing under my sink that could hurt anybody. Put Thieves Cleaner under there and use that and have that confidence. Your house is going to be clean and you're not going to have to worry about hurting anybody because this is going to clean and it's not going to hurt anybody. It's going to last a super long time. So this is what I use in my bathroom. I have a big one for my kitchen, and I want you guys to do the same thing. I really want you to switch this out. Just no more, because that is so harmful for our bodies, our lungs, our immunity. It even affects our emotions. It affects everything. Not to mention those are cancer-causing products. So many issues. They gotta go. Gotta go. Today's the day they go. Okay, so I love this stuff so much. I really, really do. I love it and I live it, and it's made so much difference in my house and for me. Like, I can't imagine not having it. Order some Stress Away and Orange and Valor. Get those emotions supported. Order some cedarwood and lavender and really start helping that sleep. Get some Ningxia Red and start nourishing that body. I don't care what you get. Get something. Buddy needs to be cleaning with this Thieves Cleaner. I want you guys to be living this lifestyle. I want you to get rid of as many toxins as you can. We'll never be able to get rid of all of them, but we can get rid of so many. And it starts with us making changes and choices. We have to make that choice. Yes, I'm going to do this. I am going to go down to my sink and I'm cleaning it out right now. I'm excited for you. I can't wait for you to just get rid of all that stuff. It's going to be so much better. It really is. Freedom from that, I can't even tell you. I was like, it was the best thing. So I'm excited. So many things going on. Start stocking up and getting those things that you need, and start taking care of your body. Start supporting that immune system. Start working on whatever it is that your specific body needs. Hormones, emotions, immunity, muscles. You know, if you've got things that need repairing, there's so many things that can repair tissue. You just have to commit. You have to commit. It takes time to create new habits. And first it takes a commitment. You have to choose. I'm going to choose to be committed to this, and I'm going to get rid of all that I can, and I'm going to start doing a little bit each month. You guys can do this. I know you can. I'm excited for you. Go outside and get some fresh air. Fresh air. And clean up the air inside your house. No more cleaners. No more nasty toxic cleaners. Let's clean up the air inside our house too. Okay. You guys have an awesome day. And I'll talk to you soon.